Hi, today's unboxing topic is Ouyang Jewelry Packaging, a jewelry brand from London. Let's see what we have today. Well, it's a white color mailer box with a logo printed on top of it. The material is white craft paper. Nowadays, it's really popular for e-commerce brands to use custom logo mailer box for shipping. Let's see what's inside the box. There are two sets items here. In each set, there is a plastic bag, a paper gift box, a snap button pouch, an information card, and a message card from the chief designer. The plastic bag is used to protect the gift box from scratches during shipping. It is made of PE material with a black logo printed on top of it. The box is the lid and button style, using a green color and with a gold logo on top of it. The surface feels very soft because it is laminated with velvet film. The advantage of velvet lamination is it feels smoother and gives a luxury feeling, but its price is much more cheaper than real velvet paper. Inside the box, I can find a snap button jewelry bag. It is made of double-sided velvet fabric, with a gold foil logo on top of it. Inside the pouch, I can find a bracelet with a small handtag attached to it. Under the pouch, I find a message card encouraging consumers to post pictures on Instagram. It's quite cute with a gold foil logo on top of it. And there's one more information card showing how to care for the jewelry. At the bottom of the mailing box, under a white tissue paper, is a paper bag, with the same material and color of the paper box, also with a gold foil logo on top of it. The special thing is it has only one handle attached to it, which makes it look more outstanding. Do you want to adapt some ideas into your packaging? Our budget time may help you. First of all, is mailing box. A same design as Ouyang's shipping box will not cost that much because the printing is simple. Only one color logo on top. Approximate price is 50 cents to $1. Second is frosted plastic bag. I don't think it's necessary for all brands because it doesn't add any value to the brand's packaging. Besides, it's just one-time use packaging item and consumers will probably throw it away soon. Starting from an MOQ 10,000 pieces, such a small size plastic bag will cost about 5 cents. Number 3 is jewelry box. Starting from MOQ 500 pieces, Ouyang's paper box is around $1.2 to $2 per piece. It's a little more expensive than normal lid and button box because it has added a velvet display chain at the bottom, whereas box without this chain would cost only 80 cents to $1. Then we talk about snap button jewelry bag. Ouyang's velvet pouch is made of double-sided velvet fabric, but it's even thinner than normal single-face velvet material. Approximate price is 17 cents for 500 pieces and 40 cents for 5,000 pieces. Last item is paper bag, 250 GSM thickness with gold foil logo and velvet lamination. MOQ 1,000 pieces is about 60 cents and 5,000 pieces is about 35 cents. Now you know what you can do within your budget. Any question? Leave comment at inform@deepkinglabels.com. I'm Rachel, Sales Manager of DEEPKING Label. See you next time!